Okay, so we're going to prove that if R is the midpoint of QS and PT, then triangle PQR is going to be congruent to triangle TSR. So let's go ahead and start the proof. So if we know that R is the midpoint of QS, right? So R is the midpoint of QS, right, implies that QR, right, is congruent to RS, right? Because this is the midpoint, that means it's the middle of this line. So that means QR is equal to RS, or QR is congruent to RS, and R is the midpoint of PT, implies that, let's see, PR, right? Oh, let me fix that. PR is congruent to RT, right? So we know that PR is equal to RT, or congruent to RT. Now, so that means I have this is congruent to this, and this is congruent to this. So I have side, side, so I also know that by vertical angle theorem, right? I know that angle PRQ is congruent to angle TRS, right? TRS. I know that this angle is congruent to this angle. And now, look, I have side, angle, side, right? So let me go ahead and get this going over here. So I know that PR is congruent to RT. I know that angle PRQ is congruent to angle TRS, right? And I know that QR is congruent to RS. So let me go ahead and get that down. So QR is congruent to RS, right? I know that this guy is congruent to this guy. So having these three things together like this, I know by side, angle, side, that triangle, I know that this triangle here is congruent to this triangle here, aka triangle PQR, is congruent to triangle TSR. And that is the proof.